The Piasa bird, a terrifying creature from Native American folklore, resides in the cliffs along the Mississippi River in Illinois. According to legend, it was painted by the Illini tribe to warn others of its deadly nature. The beast is described as a giant dragon-like creature with the body of a bird and the face of a man, said to devour warriors and horses. Variations of the tale include stories of a young warrior who bravely faced the Piasa. After an epic battle, he succeeded in slaying the beast. Some believe the legend was inspired by real encounters with large predatory birds, such as condors or eagles. Today, the Piasa serves as a powerful reminder of nature's dangers and the importance of respecting the land.